Hey guys, how's it going? How to send USDT from Trust Wallet without Ethereum. Go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet, okay? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and look it up, okay? Which is not the Ethereum. I'm gonna select USDT, Tron, or Solana. Let's say, yeah, Tron, okay? Make sure to set up your own Tron wallet so you can receive USDT. So I'm gonna hit send, right? And obviously you're gonna enter the address or domain name or address for the Tron or Arbitrium, okay? And then the amount of USDT. And if you want to add a memo, you can just go ahead and add memo and hit next to verify the address, and then basically wait for your wallet to, or basically wait for a notification from whatever app you use to set up Tron or Arbitrium or whatever platform that accepts USDT. Okay, or not platform, but basically a network, and then basically you're gonna be able to receive the USDT from Trust Wallet. Let's turn on the comments of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.